In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar for a group using the new method for 2025. Setting up a shared calendar is a fantastic way to keep everyone in sync, whether you're working on a team project, managing family events, or planning social gatherings. We'll go through each step clearly and thoroughly, so whether you're a seasoned Google Calendar user or a newbie, you'll find it easy to follow along. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website in your web browser and logging in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find various calendar options and settings. Next, direct your attention to the section labeled Other Calendars. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage calendars that aren't tied to your primary account, including those you'll use for group activities. Look for a small round plus button next to Other Calendars. This button is your gateway to creating and managing additional calendars. Once you click the plus button, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Create New Calendar. This is where you'll begin crafting a calendar specifically for your group's needs. Enter a descriptive and straightforward name for your new calendar. It's important that the name clearly represents the purpose of the calendar, so it's easily recognizable by all group members. Now, an optional step you might consider is adding a description and specifying a time zone for your calendar. While not mandatory, adding a description can be useful for providing additional context or details about the calendar's purpose. Specifying a time zone ensures that events and reminders align with the correct time for all users, especially if your group spans different geographical areas. After inputting the details, click on the Create Calendar button. You'll find this option near the bottom of the page. Clicking this button finalizes the creation process, and your new group calendar will appear in the Other Calendars list on the left sidebar. You have successfully created a Google Calendar for your group. You can now share it with the relevant group members, allowing them to contribute to and keep track of shared events. With this setup, your group can efficiently organize schedules, plan meetings, and stay on top of important deadlines. I hope you found this guide useful and you now feel confident in creating a shared Google Calendar for your group. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy scheduling!